Welcome back to Best Laid Plans, everyone. This is Heather, and I have my first Plan With Me video for October of 2022. I am so happy it's October. I'm just thrilled that we're getting into fall and winter. That is my time of the year. So this spread is going to be our October currently spread, and before we start, I just want to show you what this page looks like in most of like the happy planners on the inside right now. And that's because we're going to cover it up. And we're going to make our own full spread on a blackout page. I think black and pink are going to be the colors for my October currently page. I've also pulled a couple other things. I pulled this happy planner washi that has this rose gold kind of diagonal. I liked the effect of that. I also have this peach Stardust foil from Simply Gilded. Then I pulled the Mystic Moon paper pad. This was from a couple years back at Michael's. I've used this for a few spreads. It's just a really good paper pad, especially for like Halloween. It's just got some really good designs in it that'll match the aesthetic we're going for, which is kind of creepy pastel goth, romantic pastel goth, I guess. And then for this spread, I'm going to be using a couple of my new stickers that I purchased from Bramble and Thorn. So they look like this. These were actually the freebies, believe it or not. I was just really into them. And I have the rest in here. So we have our like nature witch and her mushrooms and the florals and everything. I just thought that would be a really good match for the pink thing that I'm going for. I always try to match the divider a little bit. So this is sort of a peachy pink. And pink is also important for October, that kind of peachy pink color, because that's, you know, breast cancer awareness. So we're just gonna go for it. I'm just pulling everything out here to show you. So here we go. And I just thought these would be really good for the currently page because they are so perfect for a October spread. We've got some Halloween vibes, but we've also got a little bit of cottagecore vibes. And I think it'll just look really nice. So I am going to just kind of set these aside for right now, and we'll be adding those to the spread. But the first thing we need to do is take this page out and actually keep that in for a second. This is probably the easiest way to do this. I am going to basically glue over this page here with my blackout spread page. So I'm just going to take a glue stick. I got a whole like 12 pack of these during a back to school sale. So I'm good on glue sticks now. And then we're going to just put these on the rings. Actually, we'll do it this way. And then we can just push down where the glue is, and we should have the page pretty well glued down at that point. Okay, so I did go ahead and I just layered this washi and this washi on the edge. I just need to cut this right here. And that's just going to cover up that corner. So that we have it all ready. The next thing I want to do is I want to take some of this paper from this book. And I think I'm going to start with this like journal card page here. I'm just going to cut this out. I really do like this sticker pad, not sticker, paper pad, because I think it has a lot of the right elements. So we've got this right here. And I'm just gonna find a couple other things. I like these gold and black stars. You can see I've done a punch on this before. What I'm gonna do is just tear it. And I'm tearing it up this way because I want this white here to show up, and that's gonna pop it out from the back of the page. And I'm just gonna cut the bottom. Oh, so pretty. So let me glue this down, and then I think we can start building boxes and adding stickers after that. So here's what that looks like with the layered washi and the scrapbook paper. I'm really, really pleased. At the top here, I'm actually using these metallic brush pens. These are like the cheapest ones you can get on like Shein or Amazon Prime. Like they are not top of the line. So we're gonna use this pen here to brush letter in October. And then I just want to go back around the edges to kind of layer it with this white one. So it just looks like this. This is my like okayest handwriting. I just thought these markers, I wanted to show you how they worked, and I thought that this would be the best way to get the kind of layered October effect that I wanted. So we got October down now. So next we're gonna start making our boxes, and I'm gonna try to use up some of my old sticker kit sheets. So I pulled a couple of my albums that have my sticker sheets in them. You know, I usually have leftover boxes from those. Let me see if we have any black or pink or green boxes we can use to just add those little areas in so I can write in pen. So here are all of the leftover like checklist boxes and things from old kits that I got from Danny Faith. Fortunately, I found out I don't think she's making stickers anymore, which makes me sad because I have so much of her kits. But I think that I'm going to be using some of these. I also just took this off of one of my Cute Cut craft kits that I just used because I didn't end up using this checklist box set. So you can see the difference. So these are just a longer list. So I'm going to put this one here. And add that one here. And then I also found some different boxes. So let's see. I thought I would do one that was paydays. So there's 2 in October. Add those in. And you can see I just have a lot of extra little sheets and things. See if I can use any of these. Let's see. I guess I'll use it to do. This is a sticker that kind of got bent up in the corner, so I'll just put another sticker on top of it. All right, so I have the little things I got from my extra kits here, some checklist boxes, some little deco boxes. I also added some of my little dot stickers here on this so I can plug in like important meetings and things for October. So I am now going to, I think I've decided that I want this to go here. Oh, and by the way, I just took my scissors and kind of made the edges on this a little bit more rounded and asymmetrical. I think that it just looks a little nicer that way. So I'm going to glue this down, and then I think we can start adding stickers, which is really the funnest part. And I don't know if you can see, but in the background of this little journal card, there's actually a little skull shadow. So it's a really like nice, spooky look. So there we go. Very happy with that. I want to start with my biggest stickers. So I think that she will go here. The nice thing about die cut stickers is before you put them down, you can kind of lay them out how you need them to be. Figure out how you want them to be. I think I'm going to cover up the hearts on this with the kitty cat. Let's see, so we got those down. I may save some of the mushrooms because they're super cute, so I don't want to use all of them, but I think, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop there and just save the mushrooms. Cottagecore girls always gotta have our mushrooms, guys. So there we go. So I like how that looks for the placement for these. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause. I'm going to actually put these down in place, and then we can finish adding the rest of like the little deco stickers. And here are all our die cut stickers down, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. You can see that you can really kind of build your own spread using just some stickers, scrapbook paper, and I just use this black paper from Happy Planner, but like this is very kind of Bujo style with stickers. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I wanted to add this little sun and moon sticker next from Bramble and Thorn. Let's see. I think right there. And I have some more of these stickers here. I'm just going to take the flower. And by the way, these are all freebies. If you saw my last Small Shop September video, I'll leave a card. Bramble and Thorn had the Planner Mayhem sale freebies, and these are literally all freebies from that sale. I didn't use any of their kind of regular stickers. I thought that was kind of funny. These are all freebies that I'm using from them. They do have a kit with this though, that you can buy on their Etsy shop. So I am going to keep this last set of stickers here along with the other mushrooms that I didn't use, and that way I can use them on a future spread. I think they are so cute. And put one more little mushroom here. And now we have all of our boxes done. We've got October here. So really the only things left to do are add in like headers for like meetings and paydays and things like that. So I am going to fill out the after the pen, and then I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to take a couple pictures, but that is really it. This is my October at a glance. I'm super, super pleased. And I love pink, and I love the witchy vibes, pastel goth. I just love this so, so much. I'm really excited I got to use my Bramble and Thorn freebies and use up some old boxes from other sticker kits. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do more blackout spreads for weekly, monthly, whatever type of layout or page. And I will see you all next Wednesday. I'll have a monthly plan with me for October, and it may or may not be themed from something that you recognize. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye!